Welcome to another step towards a more efficient and productive workspace. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. And in this video, we are going to explore how OEE and TEEP can maximize your manufacturing plant's productivity. We'll uncover how these metrics, focusing on availability, performance, and quality, can give you a comprehensive overview of your plant's efficiency. But that's not all. We'll also show you how these tools can help you identify and tackle issues, ultimately leading to significant enhancements in productivity. Now let's dive right into it. OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, measures how well a plant's equipment is utilized during planned production times. Imagine it as a health check for your plant's machinery. It combines the actual operating time with performance efficiency and the quality of outputs to produce a single effectiveness score. For instance, if a machine is scheduled to run for 10 hours but breaks down for 1, its availability is 90%. If this machine produces packs at a slower rate than its optimal speed, taking 9 hours to do what should take 8.5, its performance stands at 95%. And if out of 100 packs, 99 meet the quality standards, the quality score is 99%. Multiplying these figures gives us an OEE score, which in this case would be 85%. Let's talk about TEEP, or Total Effective Equipment Performance, which extends the OEE concept by considering the total operational time, providing a broader view of a plant's efficiency. It takes into account the total time the equipment could theoretically be running, including not just the scheduled operation time, but also the unscheduled time, providing insights into the hidden potential of your plant. TEEP is calculated similarly to OEE, but includes an additional factor for utilization, representing the percentage of total time that the equipment is scheduled to operate. Understanding and improving OEE and TEEP can lead to significant enhancements in a plant's productivity. By focusing on the 6 big losses identified by Seiichi Nakajima, the founder of the Total Productive Management System, plants can tackle issues ranging from equipment failures and setup times to speed losses and defects. These losses can be categorized into downtime, speed, and quality defects, each affecting the plant's efficiency in different ways. In practical application, OEE is incredibly useful for pinpointing specific issues within a plant or a particular production line. It helps identify discrepancies between planned and actual productivity, allowing for targeted improvements. TEEP, on the other hand, provides a high-level overview, ideal for assessing overall plant performance and its impact on organizational goals. To sum up, both OEE and TEEP offer valuable insights into the operational efficiency of manufacturing plants. They serve as crucial tools for maintenance teams to monitor and optimize equipment performance, ensuring that plants operate at their best possible capacity. Just like regular health checks keep us functioning at our best, these metrics help keep plants running smoothly and efficiently, maximizing output and quality. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed how OEE and TEEP can enhance your plant's productivity and the importance of these metrics in identifying and resolving issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, a well-maintained plant is a productive one.